welcome to Berry Online. Welcome again.
My name is Emmy.
My name is Patricia. And today we'll be doing
another origami.
Yay!
But this one is a bit challenging. So if you want to challenge yourself, then you can do this origami with us.
Yeah, I mean, when I saw it, I went, ooh, that looks a bit hard.
Yeah.
And you guys know I'm not that good at origami, but I still want to try. And even if I can't make a good one, at least I try. So yeah.
All right. So do you want to see it?
What?
Oh, I think I heard a yes.
Yes.
Yay.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Can you show them the picture?
Wait, no. Say the magic word.
Abracadabra.
Yeah, that one. Okay, ready?
Set. Abracadabra.
Ding dong.
Ooh, what's that? What animal is that?
Rhino.
No. That's not a rhino. Oh, it has a long trunk. Oh, I think it's an elephant.
Elephant! You're right, it is an elephant. Look how cute that is. Ooh. So is this what we'll be making today, Amy?
Yes, today we'll be making an elephant origami.
Okay, so what do we need in order to get ready for this?
So we would be needing origami papers. You can choose a different color.
Whatever color you want, right?
And
I told Amy I want blue, and Amy's gonna do another gray. And then what else?
And a marker, your black marker. And some tape, which is optional.
Bye-bye. That's it. Tape, black marker, origami papers, and yeah, that's it. Okay, let's get started. Let's get it started.
Alright. So, are you ready, Patricia?
Yes.
Okay.
Ready to fail. No, I'm joking.
So, we are going to flip the gray part and the blue part of the paper to the back.
Okay.
Here.
So we'll have the white part upwards, okay?
And then we have to fold it into a triangle.
Fold it into a triangle. This way, okay. And then?
And we have to turn it here, like this.
Turn it downwards.
Yes, downwards.
Okay, so we have
And
it
then-
downwards.
So we're going to make the elephant's ears.
And how do you do that, Amy?
So you do that by folding this part, the left and right part together like this.
Into smaller triangles.
Yes,
Okay. Do you have to do it at the same time, or can you do it one by one?
we can do it one by one.
Okay, I'm gonna do the right part first. So take it by the edge of this, and then just bring it to this edge here. Okay.
Oops, I made a mistake.
What's wrong?
So if you fold it like this, it's equal, right? But if you fold it like this, it won't be, there's no ears. So I made a mistake that
Oh,
you
I see.
should fold it this way.
Good thing I haven't started. Look, so
Yeah.
close. Okay, so I'm gonna let this go. Bye-bye. Forget about what we just said.
You have to fold it this way.
Okay, so
Upwards.
basically you also can grab it by this edge, but instead of picking it to this point, you pick it up. Yeah, upwards. But make sure
And
this is
now I'm going
straight.
to start folding the other side. So like this.
Oh, I can see my white part. Oh well. And another one. So grab it by this edge and then go upwards. Hey, that doesn't look too bad. Quite proud of myself.
And then we're going to fold the top part like this.
Okay. This way.
This way. Another triangle.
A big one.
Yes.
Okay, like
So
this.
The elephant's ears are big, right?
Yeah. So make sure that you grab it from this edge and you bring it down, and then make sure that you kind of make a quite a big square shape.
So now,
Triangle shape. Sorry. Okay, there's 2.
now we can flip it over and we'll see.
Ah, I see. That's
Right?
cute.
So now we're going to do the elephant's trunk.
Wait a minute. Should we show them?
Yes, we can show them.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Like this. Oh, okay, I can start to see the similarity. Okay, let's continue. Okay.
So now we're going to do the elephant's trunk.
Go over here a little bit.
So are you ready?
Yes.
So you have to fold it 4 times or 3 times.
Okay.
So ready? 1.
This way?
Yes.
Okay.
Up.
So upwards.
Up, down,
Oh my god. Oh, so up and then wait. Down.
up, then down.
Okay. Yes.
And then up
Up again.
and down.
Until this line.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And then up
Wait, and then down first, right?
and down.
Did I do?
Wow.
Should I make another one? Or
Yeah.
is that another one?
If you want to, but I think it's going to be too small.
I see. Oh, and that's it.
Yeah.
Oh.
You see? So these are the elephant's ears, and this is the elephant's face,
And?
and this is the elephant's trunk.
Oh, I see. I
So
see.
You can also create a bit of a crease here.
Yeah, right, because they have like a, wait a minute, because they always have like a crease here and on their forehead, just like that.
Like this.
And then it goes down along.
Do you see my face?
They're not.
Yes, like this.
Okay, good example. Okay, let's go back to our other.
Okay, so I made a crease.
Oh, okay. I want to make that
Just
crease too.
a bit. There you go.
Wait. So basically making a crease, you don't have to full on fold it, right? Just give it a little tap.
A bit of a tap. And open it. There you go.
Okay, I see it.
And now I'm going to
So you do it
grab
first.
my black Sharpie. And I'm going to draw the elephant's face. Let's see. I'm going to need...
You're gonna make an elephant in love.
Love.
Love, love, love.
Love is in the air.
Oh, that's
Good.
cute.
Go.
Oh, and it's my turn. Right, so, wait a minute. I remember that Emmy said using tape is optional. So I'm going to show what this would actually do. So I would, so you see how this gets a bit like flappy. Like this part and this part it gets a bit flappy. I just want to make it like go down a little bit more. So I think I'm gonna put a tape
Make
here.
it flat.
Yeah, to make it flat. Well, that's how I like it anyways. But I want the trunk to be
It's
able
up to
to
you
move. So yeah,
on how you like to make your origami.
just showing you an example how you can use the tapes. And then I'm going to draw the eyes. Ooh, what should I make? You make an elephant in love. This is
sad
a
elephant.
what is this? A straight face elephant. Should I make a sad one?
Yeah.
Yeah, why not? You know what? I don't like being sad, but we can show an example. Okay, so usually when you're sad, wait a minute. When you're sad, your eyes goes like this, or does it go like this? Does it go downwards?
Goes down.
Oh, it goes downwards. Okay, let's try. So I'll do it like this then. Like that.
Yeah.
It looks sleepy now.
It looks like well, you can make a sleepy elephant.
Oh no, I know. So this is a sleepy elephant. You can either leave it like this to make a sleepy elephant, or if you really do want to make a sad elephant, I have an idea. Make some tears.
Oh, poor elephant.
But it's still cute. Yay. Okay. And that's about it. We have 1 elephant, 2 elephants, and 3 elephants. Here. 2 gray elephants.
And 1 blue elephant that is sad and crying.
1 elephant in love, 1 straight face elephant,
And
and
1 sad little elephant.
Okay, either way, I had so much fun. Actually, that was challenging, but I could do it. So I'm actually really happy with the results.
I hope you guys liked it too, and you can do it with your mummies and daddies.
Yay! Alright, you guys, see you soon.
Hope you liked our video. See you.